Hello everyone, welcome back to the Vintage Vacuum Cleaner Deep Clean Test Series, and today we have a 70s icon, the unbelievable, literally unbelievable 1976 Goblin Housemaid, model number GL888. At least I think it's a GL888. The ratings plate has come off the bottom because it's a Goblin. So, this is either going to be really, really terrible, or it's going to surprise us all. Place your bets now. Will this be any good? And there's only one way to find out. Test! Step 1. Thoroughly clean the test carpet with the Shark AX950 UKT. Step 2, weigh out exactly 100 grams of sand. Step 3, sprinkle the sand onto the test carpet. Step 4, agitate the sand into the carpet using a brush. Any sand that comes outside of the game area is pushed back in. And we are ready to test. Okay, let us weigh the Goblin's dust bag. Here we go, let's pop it on the scales. And we get 46 grams. Quite a heavy bag actually. Now I don't know about you, but I am rooting for this old boy. I am rooting for him. It makes me feel a bit sick just using it because I just think it's just going to break at any point. So, here we go. Right, Housemaid, are you ready? I'm ready. Digital assistant, you're going to do some timing. Here we go. Good luck. Alexa, timer 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Starting now.
Alexa, stop. And before anybody says anything, that is actually on its lowest carpet setting. Okay, that is as low as it will go. Let's weigh the bag and find out what we got out. Okay, what have we ended up with? Let's see what the Goblin has done. Let's weigh the bag, and we end up with 116 grams. Okay. Well, honestly, I don't think this old boy did too bad, given the circumstances and what it was up against previously. So we started with a bag weight of 46 grams, and we ended up with a bag weight of 116 grams, which means the machine extracted 70% of the sand from the carpet. So it actually ties with the TurboPower, which is interesting. I'm going to retest, well, I might retest that TurboPower. And I'm certainly going to give an older TurboPower a go to find out what we get next time with it. But yeah, that's interesting. So 70% for the Housemaid, tied with the TurboPower U1060. And that's it for this video. You guys take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.